Hello everyone, very good evening. I am Rajat Gupta, Business Development Manager at Ksolves India Limited, and I have Om Prakash Maurya with me, our Technology Head at Ksolves. Today we are presenting a very important case, a very important subject that we have recently resolved for our customer, that is reducing average order packaging time by 1/10 in manufacturing industry. Our customer used to have a delay of 20 days in his order management, which we reduced to 2 days. We'll dive it into more, but before that, I will give you a quick introduction about Ksolves India Limited. Ksolves India Limited is a leading software development company from India. We have 3 offices in India and 2 globally. We are a only listed firm, a public listed firm in India, which is a Odoo Gold partner as well. We are a 12 years old company, which is CMI level 3, ISO and NASSCOM certified. Going forward, we are a $158 million company, which is serving 25 plus industries with a team of 550 plus workforce as of now. We have 97% client retention rate with total 150 plus Odoo implementation projects and certified 120 Odoo consultants. So far, we have been working with multiple industries, almost all. Some examples are there in front of you, where we are serving telecom industry, textile production and manufacturing, retail sector, field service management, metal manufacturing and fabrication, food and beverages industry. So these are some of the major examples that we have been catering so far and definitely would be adding more. Here is our suite of Odoo services. Ksolves, being a very proficient partner in Odoo and having experience of 9+ years into Odoo, has almost covered all the sectors. Now, we are catering towards the consultations, fresh Odoo implementations from scratch, Odoo integrations, Odoo migrations, Odoo customizations, maintenance support. Also, our latest and very important service, which is the on-site RA. We have been noticing, we have been meeting customers at their sites to understand their business, to understand their pain areas into depth, being there. So that has helped us to give the better solutions and a better approach. Dashboard Ninja with AI. This is the product that we have developed 5 years back, and for now this is being used by like 2250 customers across the globe, and it is the rank 1 application across the Odoo store, which has 75 plus Odoo 5-star ratings, right? Except Odoo, Ksolves has been working with multiple other technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI, Android, big data, iOS development, cross platforms and others. Here is the suite of the Ksolves clients, some of the clients which have been working with us. These are just few of them. We have a very large portfolio since we have served 150 plus Odoo implementations so far. Now I hand over the system to Om. He would be guiding you better on the case study that how we have actually saved our customer and their time and efforts. Om.
Thank you, Rajat. Yeah. Okay. So the use case is that we got a requirement from one of the manufacturing textile manufacturing organization who were looking to for an application which can manage their warehouse and their warehouse were very large in size. That's nearly 100,000 square feet, and they were managing nearly 7,000 SKUs. But the problem was that at this scale, their order manufacturing, then packaging, and then completing was one single order was taking nearly 20 days to get it completed and delivered, and they were looking for some solution that can automate their business process, and they can with that it can be improved. Okay, so what sort of solution we have suggested is that we have implemented Odoo for them. We have implemented the different applications that Odoo provide for them, and then with that they have bring their order lead time that they were packaging from in 20 days, they bring back to the 2 days only, and their order size was also used. That's nearly 500 plus wholesale orders. So every single order was itself a very big in chunk to move from one warehouse to another, one warehouse location to another. The major pain points that we address in that is that they initially don't have any automated inventory management system. It was all a manual process. They the documentation, they don't have any documentation or a system where they can find which SKU is located in which location. It's all they all were relying on the memory of the workers that they were working with. And then apart from that, the problem was that the way the workers were placing the goods and all was also not quite organized. So it's take for them to find out the exact item and then bringing it back. With the high volume, they were also facing the issue of that their random SKUs are getting out of stock and they were not able to know, and they have to deal with the back orders or even refunding the orders as well. Plus, their operators have to move around the warehouse, and that was taking a lot of their time and a lot of energy to pick even a single order, and it was again a time-taking process. Plus, if they want to hire a new workforce, their training time was also high because obviously it was all on the memory basis. So the knowledge transfer was also problematic, and including all this, they were finding it very difficult to scale. So what we did is that's all concluded. They were taking 20 days to pack a simple order and ship it. How we did that? Okay. We explain. Let's explore how exactly we did this and how Odoo helped them. Okay. To do that, first of all, we have implemented a full-fledged warehouse system for them. We have centralized every information in Odoo for both warehouses, and then on the real time we were just preparing, managing their stock levels with the help of Odoo, whether it is in either in East Coast orders or in the West Coast one, and that help us to reduce the manual effort. And then if the stock goes low, we also send automated out of stock items so that the procurement team can take a proactive actions accordingly. Apart from that, the customer was accepting their end orders from Shopify. So we also did a Shopify connectivity with Odoo. We implemented the push-pull rules in the Odoo, that is for the warehouse management. Apart from that, we have also implemented the rules of the procurement from their vendors, so that so that the required manufacturing or the procurement orders can be placed. Okay. Apart from that, there is another important thing that we did is about the SKU positioning. So we have designated the certain items in such a way that their warehouse can be divided in such a way that their users don't have to run in a complete inventory to find out where exactly the goods are located, and they can find it in the first 2 to 3 aisles in itself. A system knows that how much material they will require. The system will automatically position the SKUs in such a way that their overall they don't have to roam in the complete inventory. They can find it at the closest location possible. Apart from that, we also define the automated rules so that if the item is getting out of the stock on a particular designated location, the system will automatically create inventory transfer orders, and those designated locations will automatically refilled before they start their day. Okay, how exactly we did that? Okay, we configured a multi-step picking also, that I can show in this video how exactly we did. Okay, so here is a very good example that let's take we have 3 orders. First is that we have one green unit and one red unit, another is a blue unit. Same way we have 2 green, 1 red and 1 blue, or 2 green, 1 red and 2 blue. So these are 3 orders that they have to pack. That's a very simplified and very miniature example that we are trying to explain. And we have also color coded the inventory in the back also, so that we can easily identify where exactly the SKUs are located. So if you see, to process this order, what system will do a consolidation and then decide, they will move color by color, and then the items will get located in the respective locations given again here. Sorry. Yeah, so here we see this, how the things are moving. So first of all, the three greens have been moved according as per the order 1, 2 and 3. Then all the reds has been moved, then all the blue has been moved. Now as the locations get empty, we see there is already automated orders that got created, transfer orders. and automatically this Odoo is transferring the goods back from the closest location possible. With that, they have saved a lot of effort. Correct. With this automated route and processing, what they have to do now, they don't have to roam in the complete warehouse. They look for in this 2 to 3 shelf only. Just a minute. Yeah, they have to they find everything required to pack the items in these shelves only, and these items are automatically being moved from their reserved location to their main warehouse. With this, they don't have to bother about whether the system is automatically providing them every material available here, and they can move the items in the designated order locations accordingly, and the goods will get transferred. And and all these automations Odoo is doing on their own. They don't need anyone to remember where exactly this has been placed and all. Okay. Now, if I go back, what was the impact of this solution? With that, now instead of roaming in the 100,000 kilometer warehouse, they just have to look top 3 to 5 shelves only where they will get the item. So ultimately their round trip got reduced. Correct. They don't have since the system is moving the stocks on their own, their chances of error has been reduced a lot. Their order packaging time has been increased from by 60%. Correct. The round trip in the warehouse has been reduced to 80%, and then overall time that they are looking for a particular product, whether that is available or not, has been reduced by 50%. And with that, we still have a scope of improvement based on the feedbacks and all we are getting, but we have nearly automated more than 80% of their stock movements and everything. Yeah, so this was something that we have built. I would like to take a question or something if someone have any questions. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good.
No.
No. Okay. Conclude that?
Hello everyone, in case anyone has any questions, please let us know. We would be happy to answer. Done. I think we are good. Yeah.
And then